Hello dear friends, welcome back. Today we are discussing part 4 of Kerala Set English question paper 2017. The first question in this section is question number 66. Harley Renaissance in American literary history refers to. The right answer is option C. It is a cultural, social and artistic explosion among the African Americans. The next question, Mass a novel and the writer. The first one is Gora. Gora is a novel written by Rabindranath Tagore. The setting of this novel is in Calcutta and it consists of the love stories of Gora and Sucharita, then Binoy and Lolita. So the novel Gora is written by Rabindranath Tagore. Gora means white. Lifetime Divine. It is a book by Aurobindo. It is a philosophical work. So it is written by Aurobindo, Sri Aurobindo. Then the next one is The Golden Threshold. It is written by Sarojini Naidu. It was published in 1905. Its introduction was written by Arthur Simmons. It contains 40 poems divided into 3 sections: folk songs, music songs and the poems. So The Golden Threshold is written by Sarojini Naidu. Next one, Bianca. Bianca is the young Spanish maiden. Bianca or the young Spanish maiden was written by Toru Dattu. It is a only novel. So the right answer of this question is option C. The next one is Match the Poem and the Poet. Daruvala, Q. Patel, Arun Kolarkar, Don Morais. K.K. Daruvala, Indian poet and a short story writer and a former Indian police officer. He got Sahitya Akademi Award in 1984 for his poetry collection, and Fish is his work. Fish is written by K.K. Daruvala. Then Q. Patel. Q. Patel is an Indian poet, playwright as well as a practicing physician. He was associated with the Green Movement. Theme of his poems are his deep concern for nature. Then his works are How Do You Withstand, Body. These are his works. And From Bombay Central is a work written by Q. Patel. The beginning of this poem is The Saurashtra Express waits to start. So this from Bombay Central is written by Q. Patel. Then Arun Kolarkar, he wrote both in Marathi and in English. He also received Sahitya Akademi Award and Commonwealth Poetry Prize. His work is An Old Woman. It deals with this poem deals with the society and surrounding places of Kandobab Temple, Jejuri. Don Morais published 30 books. Don Morais published 30 books in English literature, a fundamental figure of Indian English literature. His famous work is Poems Written in 1960. He has also won Sahitya Akademi Award in 1994. Next one, fourth one is Don Morais, and his work is Rendezvous. So the right answer of question number 68 is option A, 1B, 2C, 3D, 4A. Kandapura Untouchable, The Guide, The Train to Pakistan. These are familiar novels and you have to identify the characters or match the characters. The first one is Kandapura. Kandapura is a novel written by Raja Rao. It's a novel written by Raja Rao. Achakka, Rangamma, Beda Khan, Murthy are the important characters of this. Anyway, Murthy is the protagonist of this novel, and it is a story of a fictional village and about Gandhiji's influence in freedom struggle, and the narrator of the story is the old woman Achakka. Achakka is the narrator of the story. The main character is Murthy and he is a devotee of Gandhiji. So one matches with a D. Then the Untouchable. Untouchable is a novel by Mulkraj Anand and it depicts the day in the life of Bhakka, young super boy. He is from a low family background. Other characters are Lakha, his father, then Charat Singh, a famous hockey player, Sohini, his sister, Pandit Kalinath, who tries to molest Sohini, is a villainous character in this novel. The next one is The Guide. Guide is a 1958 novel written by R.K. Narayan. Setting is in Malgudi, the fictional town in South India. It describes the transformation of a protagonist Raju from a tour guide to a spiritual guide and then a holy man. It won 1960 Sahitya Akademi Award. The other characters in the novel are Rosie. Rosie is a dancer, at the same time his lover, Raju's lover, and then another important character is Marco, archaeologist, Rosie's husband. The next work is the Train to Pakistan. It's another work, last work. Is a historical novel by Khushwant Singh, published in 1956. It tells us about the partition of India in August 1947 through the perspective of Mano Majra, a fictional border village. Iqbal Singh, Jukud Singh, Hukum Chand are the main characters in this novel. The next one. So the right answer of this question is option D. 1. Kantapura Murthy. Untouchable Bhakka. Bhakka is a boy in that novel. Guide Raju is a travel guide. Then Train to Pakistan, Jukud Singh. So the right answer is option D. Identify the novel that is not written by Nayanthara Sehgal. Nayanthara Sehgal is a daughter of Nehru's sister Vijayalakshmi Pandit, and she is a well-known writer. And Rich Like Us. Rich Like Us is a historical as well as a political fiction, and it was written by this Nayanthara Sehgal. And the setting of the novel is in New Delhi. Discusses the lives of two female protagonists, Rose and Sonali. This novel also won Sahitya Akademi Award in the year 1986. The next one is The Day in Shadow. It was also written by Nayanthara Sehgal, and it is about a Simrat who emerges from the shadows to find happiness with Raj. Then Lesser Breeds. It is a story of Noorullah, a teacher. He was 23 years old, teaches literature to first year students at the university and encounters a non-violent resistance movement against British rule. The book ends in 1968 with a look back and a reconsideration by this man, Noorullah, who has become a matured person. Lesser Breeds is about Noorullah and British rule and non-violent resistance, etc., etc. Then Small Remedies. Small Remedies is not written by Nayanthara Sehgal. It is written by Shashi Deshpande, who is a writer of Dark Holds No Terrors, etc. Then it is about Madhu, a writer who lost her son due to the incident of 1992 Ayodhya Babari Masjid's bombing. To recover from pain, she writes a novel about Savitri Bai, a woman decided to leave her family to pursue her career. She was ready to leave her son. The next one, Match the Play and the Playwright. First one is Badal Sarkar. Then next Girish Karnad, Asim Karimboy, T.P. Kailasam. The first one is Badal Sarkar, and he is the writer of Ivam Indrajit. Ivam Indrajit was written by Badal Sarkar. The play originally written in Bengali language. And then Girish Karnad's Haivadana. It's a really touching novel. It's a story of Devadatta, Kapila and Padmini. Then the next one is Asim Karimboy. He is a writer of Doldrums. It is a 1960 work. Next one is T.P. Kailasam. He is a writer of purpose. He is a prominent writer of Kannada literature. So the right answer is option C. The right answer is option C. Badal Sarkar, Ivam Indrajit, Girish Karnad Hayavadana, Asim Karimboy, Dole Drummers, then T.P. Kailasam purpose. So the right answer is option C. Identify the two writers who were associated with the journals Presence of African and Transition respectively. The right option B, Leopold Sanger and Christopher Okibo. These are the two writers. This novel was written in Gikyu and English language and was written secretively on a toilet paper. It has been written in an allegorical form. Identify the novel and the novelist. So written in a language called Gikyu and English language also, and it was written secretively on a toilet paper. It has been written in allegorical form. The novel is Devil on the Cross by Ngugi wa Thiong'o. And it is a 1980 work, and it focuses on politically challenging role of international money and culture in Kenya. The next question is, identify the novel of C.L.R. James. Mint Ali is the right answer. Identify the novel of C.L.R. James, Mint Ali. It's a novel by the Trinidadian writer. He is a Trinidadian writer, C.L.R. James. Setting of the play is Port of Spain, Trinidad. The next question is, which of these writers were awarded the Nobel Prize? The answer is 1 and 3 only, V.S. Naipaul and Derek Walcott. Derek Walcott received this 1992, 2 years after publishing the epic poem Omeros. Naipaul received a Nobel Prize in 2001 and Booker Prize in 1971. 26, question number 76. Match the character and the novelist who created him or her. Philip Bentley is a character created by Sinclair Rose, and it is a character in the novel As for Me and My House in a 1941 novel. Then Hagar Shipley is a novel's protagonist, at the same time narrator. She is a main character in Margaret Lawrence Stone Angel. The next one, Brebeuf and His Brethren is by E.J. Pratt, a Canadian writer. He is a Canadian writer. Then Champion Okimazes is taken from The Kiss of the Fortune. It was written by Thomson Highway. So the right answer is option C. Match the terms with the concept. Multiculturalism. It is associated with inclusive citizenship. Then diaspora is associated with the dispersal and spread of people. Then cultural diversity is associated with the existence of a variety of cultural groups. Ethnicity is the state of belonging to a common social group. So the right answer of question number 77 is option D. Option D is the right answer. Which of these statements describes bush poetry? Option A, poetry with a good rhyme and rhythm about Australia, Australians and Australian way of life. Right answer is option A itself. Option A is the right answer of this question. The next one, Brilliant Lies, Face to Face and Emerald City are the films based on the plays of option B, David Williamson. It is based on David Williamson. He is an Australian dramatist, at the same time playwright. Reef and Monkfish Moon are novels written by Romesh Gunashekhara. Romesh Gunashekhara is a Sri Lankan born British author who was shortlisted for Man Booker Prize. Okay, that's all about this questions. Hope you enjoyed this video.